my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare for you shrimp with fried rice. Okay, so what do we need? Definitely we need shrimp. We need bamboo shoot, red pepper. You can put hot or sweet, whichever. Carrot, white onion, green onion, carrots, ginger and garlic. So about the sauce, we need sesame seed oil. You need soy sauce, fish oil sauce, which I put it here. This one we keep it away. We need a little bit rice white vinegar. And then we need a little bit oil just to fry. So we put the fire. I want to say to you, when you make your shrimp, if you don't want your shrimp to curl, what you do is you take your shrimp, the knife, and you just make it a little bit slanted. You crack it. So when you cook them, well, this one we peeled it. We didn't peel it. So when you cook, it doesn't fold. So it stays open like this. So that's what you do in case if you want that. There we go. Here it is. So when you cook, it won't fold. Okay, what we have to do is, now the fire is on, we're going to put our little oil. There you go. We're going to warm the oil, which it takes 2 minutes. First we have to put our ginger and garlic, and we don't leave it too much because it will make it bitter, the ginger. So just for a few seconds, we'll just cook this for a few seconds. When you smell it, it means it's pretty good enough. You don't have to do too much. All right. There we go. Now we're going to put our onion. You can put your vegetables as much as you want. If you like a lot of onion, you can put a lot. You want a little less, you do it less. And then we're gonna put our carrot. Try to slice your carrots very, very thin, because if you make it thin, it cooks it much faster and it's better, because the carrots will give much more taste for you than make it big chunks. So little thin slices, it's very good. It's a red pepper. You can put, like I said, little chili in it or sweet, whichever you want. This one I'm using it, one long one and a little sweet bell pepper. And I have to say, I cooked my rice already, and then I saute a little bit peas and corn in it, and then I fried it very little, my rice. Now we have to put our green onion. And then we have to put our bamboo shoot. Now I'm going to add my garlic back, so it will really give the taste of the garlic in all vegetables. There you go. If you want for your carrots, you can always put in the water with the salt, even though I didn't put it. But in case if you cut them thick, you can do that, so it will get softer. It will help to cook much quicker too. Now we're going to put the shrimp. This is about like 40 shrimp it is. You buy it with the bag. If it's not clean, you have to clean it. You have to drain it. But the tail was on. I took them out. And you know that the shrimp doesn't need too much cook. So now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons fish sauce. A little bit rice wine, and a little bit sesame oil we're gonna put. And the sesame oil you can put just one. It's a little too heavy. 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. It will be good enough. All right, more or less it's cooked. Now we're gonna put our broccoli, which is already steamed, about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Now we have to show you over here the rice. Like I said, I prepared it already. The rice, like I said, I steamed, I boiled it, and then I sauteed the peas and the corn a little bit with oil, with butter, whatever you want. And then you fry it a little bit in the pan. And that's all you need. And if you want any seasoning you add, you can, but already the vegetable has good seasonings. It's like will be like a steamed rice. It will be good enough the way is the seasoning it has, the vegetables. So this one is done. Now this one you can pour on it. Or you can put all around. However you wanna enjoy to you, to your family, to your guests. The cooking, it should be very much pleasure and not work. When you cook with love, any food you make, it will be delicious. I enjoy cooking, and my family loves my cooking, so is my customers. Sometimes they stay with us, and we have together lunch, dinner. They really enjoy it. And I enjoy their companies. There we go. This is how. And this way you put at the table and you will enjoy it. Well, I hope you'll try this dish. It's very delicious, simple, easy. It's only little vegetable preparation it is. So I hope you'll try this. I thank you very, very much. And in case if you like it, please subscribe my channel. I thank you again. Bye-bye.